Happiness is free, yeah. Spread love, give hope, and always have fun. I'll always choose hope over problems and endless struggles. Happiness is free, yeah. Spread love, give hope, and always have fun. I'll always choose hope.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you all. Alright, so I'll be teaching you how to make Ofe Akwu, which is also known as Banga soup. So here we have the palm kernel. I've boiled it for some time, and here I am pounding it with a mortar and a pestle. I don't have butching mix, grinder, blender or food processor, so I had to use mortar and pestle. After which I used my sieve to extract the oil. Just look at this beauty. It has been sieved already. The shaft has been extracted from the kernel. Come, let's get started. You know what you can use this kernel to do, yeah? Alright, so I used smoked fish, smoked pala. I also used smoked catfish. So next, you put the extract on fire. Add your smoked fish. I had to add my smoked fish into it because the smoked fish wasn't that soft, so I needed to boil a little. So here's the Banga Spice I got from the market, local market. I don't know the name, I don't know the mixture, but then it was so good. So I used about 3 of that Banga Spice. Then I added my crayfish. Crayfish is a must if you want to enjoy the soup. I added little salt to taste. Then I added Cameroon pepper. This pepper is so good. I added some cubes of seasoning, and of course I added my Pomo that has been cut into little bits, and I added my fresh fish. I used kote. Then for leaf, guess the leaf I used. Yeah, that's right. I used Uziza leaf. For the very first time, I will be preparing soup with Uziza. So guess the swallow I used for this soup. So let me know in the comment section which swallow you'll be using when you try out the soup. The soup was super delicious. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, like, and you can share. I would love to see you practicalize this. Enjoy!